Hi everyone, today we will be beginning with another example session that is on the chapter relationship between plants and animals. Alright, so this was a very interesting chapter. We learned how there were various products that we obtained from animals which were dependent on plants, right? So like we got wool, we got milk, we got fish, we got silk, we got a lot of things. Now we will study some questions on the same. So let's start. Which of the following products is produced by bees? Silk, lac, honey and wool. I think we all know the answer. It is C, wool. What is the primary purpose of honey production by bees? What is the purpose of honey production? For food storage, for attracting mates, for pollination, for nest construction. The correct option is option A. For food storage. Alright, production of honey is for food storage. Okay, they make use of nectar, they convert it into honey. Honey does not go bad. Alright, honey has this property that it will not go bad, it will not stale. Keep it for years, it will not go stale. Hence, it is for food storage. The process of gathering nectar and pollen by bees is known as pollination, photosynthesis, honey production, foraging. The correct option is gathering nectar and pollen, both. Foraging. Okay, foraging. Silk production is mainly associated with which of the following animals? A, bees, B, silkworms, C, sheep, D, cows. It is easy. B, silkworms. Silkworms primarily feed on the leaves of mulberry trees, oak trees, palm trees, bamboo trees. It is A, mulberry trees. Lac is a resinous substance obtained from bees, silkworms, lac insects or mulberry trees. It is C, lac insects. Pisciculture refers to the rearing of what? Bees, silkworms, fish, cattle. It is fish. Which of the following is an example of pisciculture? Alright, this is an example of pisciculture. Production of honey, production of silk, fish farming, cattle farming. It is C, fish farming. The primary purpose of fish farming is food production, honey production, silk production, milk production. Fish farming is used for food production. What is the food? Fish. It is exported, it is consumed. Alright. Milk production is associated with which of the following animals? Okay, so milk production. Out of these, which one produces milk? Cows, bees, silkworms or fish? It is A, cows. We drink cow milk. Goats also produce milk. Buffaloes also produce milk. Which of the following animals is commonly used for milk production in India? Okay, so this animal is used for milk production in India. Sheep, goats, cows, horses. Okay, so the correct option is option C, cows. Milk production, again it is cows. Eggs are primarily produced by which of the following animals? One of these animals produces eggs. Cow, sheep, chickens, fish. Of course it is D, chicken. The production of wool is mainly associated with what? Bees, silkworms, sheep, cows. Okay, wool is mainly associated with sheep because it is made from sheep's fleece, right? Made from the fleece of sheep. Which part of the sheep's body yields wool? Okay, does its skin, is its tail, is it hooves or is it horn? It is A, the skin. Because skin has hair. Skin has fleece. Skin is what grows the fleece. Okay, so skin. Besides food production, animals have other uses as well. Which of the following is not one of them? Transportation, clothing, medicine, furniture. It is D. Furniture. Animals are not used for furniture. Leather is a material obtained from the skin of which animal? So we all know leather, alright, leather belts, leather shoes, leather sofas and all. These are obtained from the skin of which animals? Cows and sheep, bees and silkworms, chicken and ducks, fish and reptiles. So it is fish and reptiles. Fish and reptile skin, leather, is used in fashion. It's used to make ornaments. It is used to make clothes, belts, shoes, whatnot. Which of the following animals is used for transportation purposes? One of these animals is used for transportation. Dogs, cows, horses, fish. It is C. Horses. Horses are used for transportation since ancient times. Okay, so like used in chariots, used for battle. Kings used to ride on horses. Soldiers used to ride on horses. Alright, horses were a source of transportation. Modern day cars, earlier day horses. Okay. The process of using animals for plowing fields is known as, we use animals for plowing the fields, means preparing soil to put in the seeds, to put in the water, all of these things. So that is plowing. It is also spelled like plowing, right? Plowing. Aquaculture, pisciculture, sericulture, drought farming. Okay. The correct option is option D, drought farming. Okay. Because if, for example, if there is a very harsh land, all right, now and a very big land for that matter, if I individually go and plow the land, it will take me a lot of time. But if I use animals, I use their power and I use tools for plowing, it will be done very quickly. All right, so animals are used for plowing. Which of the following animals is commonly used for drought farming in rural areas? Cows, horses, sheep, dogs. It is C, horses. Horses are used for drought farming. Okay, horses. Which of the following animal products is commonly used in making soap? One of these animal product is used in making soap. Is it honey? Is it wax? Is it lac? Or is it wool? So it is a very important question. Out of these, which one is used for making soap? It is option B, wax. Okay, wax is used in making soap. The process, I told you cosmetic things to put on the body. The process of using animals for scientific research is known as zoology, ethology, entomology, or animal testing. The correct option is D, animal testing, for research and information purpose. So for example, I will give you a good example of a rat. Okay, rats are used for research. Okay, so if there is a new drug or new thing, okay, it will be used on rats, lab rats, right? Now why rats? Because rats have the closest human composition. Okay, their body is composed of rib cages, the organs, everything is quite similar. Thus we use rats, okay, small rats, for testing of things, for research purposes, if this thing would be beneficial for humans or not, right? So it is tested on animals. Now I come to, which of the following animals is commonly used for laboratory testing and experiments? Again, Bees, silkworms, rats, fish. It is C, rats. Which of the following animals is commonly used for providing therapeutic assistance to people? It gives therapy. Cats, dogs, sheep, fish. The correct option would be D, fish. Have you ever been for foot massage by fish? All right, so these are small fish. You put your feet in the water and there's a very small fish in big quantities, and they will eat the dead skin out of your feet. All right, they will lead to a massage, a cleaning. Okay, a cleaning. Now also dogs are used. Okay, dogs can also be used for assistance to people. Both fish is used for therapy, dogs are used for assistance, means guiding us. All right, bringing us stuff back. Okay, so guard dogs, guides. Okay, dogs are very good at that. Which animal is used for its fur in the fashion industry? Which of these has fur? Cows, silkworms, mink, fish. It is mink. Mink is an animal used for its fur. Also bears. Bears are used for their fur. Yak. Right. All of these are used for their fur. The bears, the yak, wolves, all are used for their fur. Okay, fur. Which of the following animal products is used in manufacturing of musical instruments? So you might think, which one is used for manufacturing of musical instruments? What are the musical instruments that can be manufactured? So is it honey? Is it wax? Is it silk? Is it ivory? It is silk. Silk can be used to make threads, okay, of violins, of various guitar-like instruments. So silk was earlier used for that. Okay. Also ivory. Ivory is what? Ivory is the tusk of elephants. Okay, those big teeth that they have. It was earlier in ancient times used for making musical instrument, but it is now banned because elephant is endangered. Ivory obtained from the tusk of elephants is used for making honeycombs, silk threads, lac coating ornaments. Okay, so it was used for making D, ornaments like daggers. Okay, daggers means a knife, kind of a knife. Okay, it was used for making jewelry. Okay, ivory jewelry, it is called white gold. Right. Which of the following animal products is commonly used in traditional medicine? So this animal product is used in traditional medicine. Honey, wax, lac, horns. So correct option is option A, honey. Honey has always been used in traditional medicine. Traditional Chinese medicine often utilizes which of the following animal products? Chinese medicine used one of these animal products: snake venom, silk fibers, cow milk, fish scales. Alright, so these are all very different types of parts derived from animals. Now which one is used for medicine? It is snake venom. Now you might ask, how does snake venom is used? So snake venom, we make the cure for the venom from the venom itself. Okay, so what is done is, it is in modern day medicine itself, the venom is transported to a animal like a cow or a rat or something that has a close relationship with the human body. Now that animal's body will produce antibodies. All right, antibodies that will fight the venom, okay, to keep the animal alive. Now we will take those antibodies and we will use it as medicine whenever a snake, the similar snake, bites a human. Okay, so if it bites the human, we will give it the same antibodies. That is why snake venom was used. Okay, which of the following animal products is used in the production of cosmetics? Again, cosmetics: honey, wax, lac, feathers. Correct option is option B, wax. Wax is used for making cosmetics. Feathers obtained from birds are commonly used in the manufacturing of honeycombs, silk threads, lac coatings, pillows. Of course, we all know the answer, it is pillows. Since feathers are very soft, like cotton, and it fills up, okay, they are used in pillows. What is the primary purpose of using animals in circuses? Alright, so now mostly there are no circuses in India. However, what was the use of these animals earlier? If you have seen in movies and all, okay, it was a source of entertainment, like the capabilities of those animals, jumping through hoops, performing a lot of stunts, that was for entertainment purposes. However, now it is banned. So, I hope you enjoyed this lecture. Thank you.